Hello everyone, I am Emmanuel Garevas. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to study about Microsoft Excel, whereby we are going to study about introduction to Microsoft Excel, and this is the lesson number 1. So in this course we will learn how to use Excel step by step, and this tutorial is designed for beginners and also the advanced learners. And I promise you, by the end of this course, you will be able to enter and organize data, to perform calculations, to use formulas and functions, to create charts and analyze information. So now, someone can ask you, what is Excel? What Excel means? Excel is a spreadsheet program used for storing data, performing calculation, creating reports, and data analysis. Excel is a spreadsheet program that have such function to store data, to perform calculation, to create reports, and data analysis. Are we together? So let us continue. So where can we use Excel? Where can we use Microsoft Excel? We say Excel is widely used in business, schools, government offices, personal finance. For example, in school, teachers can use Excel to prepare the student results and so on. Personal finance, someone can use Excel to create his or her budget, monthly budget, year budget. So let us continue. How can we open Microsoft Excel? For Windows users like me, I myself am using Windows 11. As you see here, this is Windows 11. I don't know which version you're using. To open the Microsoft Excel in Windows, just follow the steps. First step, click the Start menu. The Start menu, which is this one. The second step is to search for Microsoft Excel. To search it, you have to type the word Excel to the search menu. Step number 3, click the Excel applications. You are to double click on it so that you can open it. When Excel opens, you will see a workbook. If the Excel opens, you see the workbook. Notes. This is the important notice to take, that a workbook is a file that contains spreadsheets. Each workbook contains worksheets. Just take it in your mind that a workbook is a file that contains spreadsheets, and each workbook contains worksheets. Are we together? Okay, let us continue. So now let us check out Excel interfaces. When Excel opens, there is important parts to understand. The first is ribbon. Ribbon is the top menu area that contains commands used to perform tasks. Example of ribbon tabs, we have Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. What is worksheet? A worksheet is the main working area, so where we are entering data, where we are making calculations, where we are creating charts, It is called what? Worksheet. And the worksheet contains of made up of rows, column, and cells. We are going to see it practically. Here we are just checking through these notes. A column is represented with letters A, B, C, and so on. Rows are represented by numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. A cell is the intersection of row and a column. Example: A1, B2, C5, etc., etc. Cell is where we enter data. So we enter data to the cell. How can you enter data into the Excel? So to enter data on the Excel, you have to follow these steps. Click on a cell. That is step number 1. Type your data. After typing your data, if it is the number, if it is the name, press enter. That is the third step. So now, what kind of data can you enter to the Excel? Not any data you can enter to the Excel. First one is text, words. You can type any words you want. Names. You can type names. As name it is text. You can type numbers 1, 2, 3, 100, 1000, and so forth. Date, currency value. All these data can be accepted by the cell. Example: consider this table. We have this column, name, age, marks, and this one. So all this can be entered into the cell. So now let us go to the practical session, where we are going to start by opening Microsoft Excel, as I have shown there the top, that you are to search on the search bar by typing the word Excel. It will appear to your best match. If you see it, as you see here in my computer, I have Excel 2016. So now I will double click on it. It will open at this one here. So as you have seen that if the Excel opens, you meet a blank workbook, which is this one. Let me open it. This workbook contains of different sheets. We have sheet number 1. You can add by clicking on this plus, sheet 2, and so on. So now, as you have seen that a spreadsheet consists of columns and rows. These columns are represented by letters, and these rows are represented by numbers, except this one where I have pointed my cursor. So now if you want to enter data, choose any cell. Let us choose this one. Then write anything. Let us write a name. Maybe name. Then click enter. Pop. Have you seen? Name have been written into the cell. Another one, let us write a number. Let us write 10. Then click enter. Pop. Have you seen? You can enter text, you can enter number. So thank you very much. That was an introduction about Excel. Let us meet to the next lessons, where we're going to study a lot about Excel. So if you haven't understand this, leave a question to the comment section. I will answer you immediately. Thank you very much. I wish you a good day.